Hello everybody, David here. Recap of the trading day for Friday the 18th of March 2022. Trading the SPX DTE0 strategy. It was an interesting day today. We had a 73 point move from the low of the day through to the high of the day. And it was pretty much a continuous bullish move up, which always makes it interesting when you're trying to deploy iron condors. Also conscious that today was the expiration Friday for the quarter and the month, as well as the week and the day. And also conscious that the past 3 days have been very bullish. And I believe that's a result of market makers, hedge funds, large institutions slowly unwinding their short positions because of the expiration date. And that has created a supply that's been bought up. And I think maybe moving into next week, we'll probably not see that bullish trend continue to such a large degree. We might see a pullback. But that's for next week. So how did I do today? So in terms of profit and loss, I was able to take in $235 in profit today on the DTE0 strategy. In terms of trades, 14 fills. Reasonably busy day. So as normal, I will get into the market 30 to 40 minutes into the trading day. So today it was a little bit later than that, 10:20, and I got in with an iron condor, a call spread and put spread at 4470 and 4335 respectively. So on the chart at 10:30-ish, just pulling this out so we can see the trades. So this was the initial put spread at 4335, and this is the call spread at 4470. As you can see, the 4335 never really had any issues, and I was able to buy that back for $10 quite quickly. But the 4470 was always going to be a problem for me today. I've also shown on the chart my layered trades throughout the day. So these were the put spreads as the day progressed and the market moved up. I followed the market with my put spreads, and then once the 4470 was stopped out, I started layering in some calls as the market started to sort of reach a high and then start to level off. So these are the trades for the initial iron condor. This here was an anomaly, and I think it was a typo. I did actually speak to the broker about this one. So the original 4470 call, it should have been a 3-time stop loss, but for some reason it closed at $70, which is a random figure. But it looks like it was a typo on my part, so a lesson for me to learn. Make sure the orders are correct. The put spread itself was closed out for $10, as I said earlier. So it took me a little while to respond to that because I wasn't actually at the screen, but I did eventually get back into another iron condor around 1:30. And then, as I said in the chart screen, I started to layer in some additional puts throughout the day. I then got stopped out of that 4470 and then started to build in some additional calls as the day progressed. So 1527, 1532 and then 1538, just as the market was showing a little bit of volatility, I was able to get those calls in. And so that resulted in, as I said, a $235 profit on the day. In terms of return on investment, I'm actually going to start looking at my return on investment as the credit received against the true risk of each trade, which is not necessarily the capital deployed, but the stop loss that I've got in for that trade. So today I had $235 profit, and my stop loss risk against all those trades was a total of 1,520. So the return on investment there is 15.4% for the day, $235 divided by 1,520. Annualized, that's 2,250% return on investment. Okay, so a good day for me and a good week in terms of the strategy. Monday, Wednesday and Friday were all profitable for me. In terms of my results on the DTE profitability, so 14th of March $297, 16th of March $202, and 18th of March today $275. So just as I talk, I'll just type that in and that will update, and there we go. I've now hit $3,000, which is awesome. Okay, hope everybody has gained some value or insight into my strategy, and hopefully you like. Please give me some feedback. I'm still on the learning journey for these videos, so let me know if I'm missing anything that you want to know about. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.